In this video, I will show you step by step how you can remove parental controls on your Google account without a password. So step number one, as you can see, if you head over to our Google Play Store here, and then we go down to settings. Once we open it up here, go to family and then go to parental controls. If we turn it on, you need to create a pin. So whenever you try and turn it off, you will need a pin to disable this. Now to disable it, what we can do is head on back. We can then head over to settings here, and then you want to scroll down and click on apps. From here, go to the search icon, and then you can then simply search for Playstore. From here now, what we need to do is we need to scroll down until you see the option for storage. And then you can then go down to the bottom here and you simply want to click on clear data. Once you do this, you can then click on delete to confirm. And then once you confirm this and you delete the data, you will then be able to go back over to the Google Play Store. Again, click on the profile picture here at the top, go down, select settings. And then once we go over to our parental controls, you will then be able to turn this off without a password.